Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to week 2 of the journey to minimalism. This week we are tackling my bedroom. Okay, so if you're new to this series, go check out part 1. It is linked in the comments box below, but this week we are going to be decluttering and organizing my bedroom. So I'm really excited about this. Let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna get started first with my jewelry box. Okay, so that was my minimalist bedroom. Make sure you tune in next week because next week we are going to be tackling another room in my house. I hope you've enjoyed this series so far. Comment below, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next week. Bye.